Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Sight, or perceiving things through the eyes, is a complex process. Light reflects off an object to the eye like the shutter of a camera, retracting to shut out light or opening wider to let in more light. The more we research the effects of lighting, the more we're discovering that lighting has a deep impact on our lives. Studies suggest that lighting effects and special effects have numerous biological, mental, and emotional factors, and even directly contribute to our mood and productivity. That's why today we're visiting BlissLights Incorporated in Southern California, where they are known as the special effects lighting company. BlissLights has specialized in creating unique decorative lights for more than 15 years. Once illuminating major theme park rides, today they make affordable, energy-efficient, easy-to-use lights for everyday decor, from delicacy projectors to laser USBs. BlissLights technology quickly took off in major theme parks around the globe. This success was soon followed by laser Christmas lights for home use. These lights were wildly successful on network television and subsequently launched their laser light market. Today, BlissLights continues to innovate high-quality special effects lighting for indoor decor. Their award-winning Skylight Galaxy projector is a #1 bestseller online with thousands of reviews. With hundreds of resellers from big box stores to online retailers, BlissLights has you covered both indoors and outdoors, as well as with replacements and accessories. Put a little more bliss in your world and visit BlissLights.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.